Will a Portuguese tart win my heart?
I like Portuguese tarts.
My friend wants to change my mind. That's why she brought me here.
How do Portuguese eat tarts?
With cinnamon, sugar, and most importantly, espresso.
Let's try. It's very good.
I have to admit, these Portuguese tarts were very good.
Guys, apparently this is 100 years recipe. Wow. Okay, guys, let's try this one. Oh, this is good. It's very fresh.
And this one, do you like it?
Yes, I realized that the Portuguese tart should be fresh and warm. That makes the taste better.